Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can change your profile picture on Discord. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end, and with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you have to do is go ahead and open your Discord application on your PC. Finally, once you have done that, on the bottom left, as you can see, there is going to be your account right over here, and then there's going to be also a gear icon right over here, which is a user settings. Go ahead and click on that, and finally on that there is going to be a tab called my account, as you can see, and there is going to be your profile icon right over there. If you hover your mouse over it, it will say change avatar. Go ahead and click on it, and finally you can simply select any pictures you want in order to add as your profile pic, as you can see. And once you click on save changes, your account's DP is changed. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.